Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I remove makeup from my face, and I will be showing you guys my facial skincare routine. I wouldn't even say a routine. If I say a routine I would be lying. I will be saying when it's necessary I'll do this, okay, because I don't do this every day. So in this video what you're gonna need, what I'm gonna use, I'm using these comfort makeup wipes, removal wipes. I'm using the Garnier makeup remover with the wipes because the wipes can get dry sometimes. I am going to be using this facial skin brush. Yeah, so I'll be using this facial skin brush to cleanse my face properly. And I'll be using this mint Julep mask, face mask. This is the first thing I'll be putting on my face. And I'll be using this simple moisturizing facial wash. Simple. It's very tender on my skin. And I'll be also using the Gold Skin face soap. This is the face soap that I'm currently using. And then after everything, I'll be applying some olive oil to my face. I use olive oil. And to cleanse my face with the water, I'm going to use baking soda with warm water to cleanse my face. Alright guys, so I have on some lashes. I'm going to take them off. And guys, I will be linking everything that I use down in the description box. So in case you want to go and buy them. So I took out one of the face makeup cleanser wipes. And it feels a little dry, because my makeup, the wipes were left open, so a little dry. So what I have to do is just add some of the Garnier liquid makeup remover and then use it to remove the makeup. Then I go in with the mask and put it over my face, and this should stay on my face for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I prep the warm water to cleanse my face with the baking soda. So I'm gonna pour some of the baking soda in the warm water, cleanse my face. So let us wait 10 minutes. Then guys, I'm going to take a simple facial cleanse and roll it all over my face. Then guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and come back again. So after that, I come in with the gold skin soap, and apply it over my face again. And then I pat my face dry. And there you have it, guys. You see how lovely, how smooth my face is looking. Ooh, smooth and clean. And that's my routine. So then I'll just, for the last thing, I'll just get the olive oil now and just rub some over my skin. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with a friend, and I'll see you in my next video.